want to update a video today, but since I'm cleaning my gun, I may as well let you guys know how my day went. And a lot of people have been asking me, am I alright from yesterday's video? I am okay. So they just want to check out my heart. No results back yet, so I think I'm fine. And on top of that, I got the job. So they're willing to subsidize the fuel, which is great. Everything's ticked off. But it's still a long drive. And they won't subsidize the fuel until 3 months. So I think that's fair, a fair decision. But also, I'm been thinking about it. Look, I'm going to take the job regardless because I need the job. But I don't think my family, like my kids, my partner, are ready for that because I'll be gone for like 12 hours, like 6 to 6 at least. And that'll probably be a main factor whether or not this thing goes to plan. And we'll just see. Look, it's a job, it's an opportunity for me to use my brain, like actually use my brain. And I'm somewhat excited for that, but not excited for the drive, especially with not knowing how the traffic's going to be in the morning. Because even if the start time is 8:30, so I imagine hour and a half would be decent. But traffic, this, that, we'll see. On top of that, I spent all of today pretty much fitting the bull bar and the nudge bar onto the Prado 150. Customer's super happy, but it was a fair effort trying to figure out where these brackets go. And I don't think I was ready to handle recording, vlogging, and dealing with that type of mental problems. So I'm cleaning my gun. I just finished off the valve, the last bit of the cover, and we went with the black and we just decided to color code it. I'll show you guys in a bit, but basically I'm okay. And a lot of you guys would have seen me listing one of my cars for sale. The reason why is purely because I want this RX-7, and it's a good opportunity. I don't want to jump on it, but I do have to get rid of something just so I can create some cash flow to buy, well, basically exchange one car for another. And we'll see how that goes, but I don't think it's going to work out, and that'll be for the best. But right now I'm just kind of going with a spontaneous buy. And otherwise, if someone wants to buy something else like my Integra, if anyone's interested, I would be open to offers. Just saying. Because as much as I do like that car, the story of that car is probably lacking. I could probably get rid of the EK, but that car probably drives the best out of everything. So probably not. So we'll see how we go. Alright, so I thought I'd give everyone a small update in terms of what's going on. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Nearly forgot. As promised, this is what the cover looks like. I'm not too sure if it looks better than the other side, but look at the details. So I resprayed the line red just because the other red was too red. It was more like this red. So I resprayed that line, masked it off and whatnot, and then did the coat black. It is not perfect, but for those that want to nitpick and whatnot, upon masking it, unmasking the actual line, you can see some silver pickup. And I wasn't too sure because I scuffed it and the adhesion, the plastic primer should have held on, but it didn't. So luckily, because we decided to play around with the colors and stuff like that, it'll probably pull your eye away from actually noticing it. But if you look at the details, you can see it. So if anyone else wants something like this, now would be a great time for. And then maybe if I can do, like, the whole idea of this whole thing, right, was just to work on things, right? Work on other people's things and stuff like that. And maybe the idea was to make some sort of income from it. And that would have been awesome. And it's picked up in terms of where it was, but also it's not very consistent. So if anyone does want something done or something finished or something worked on, I like goat carts, or I don't know, assemble a boat. I'm just naming things, I have no idea. Or an engine bay, I'd love to do an engine bay. I'll shave it and everything. And I'll give a full warranty, and maybe it would be safe to say a lifetime warranty, provided the owner hasn't changed, because I really want to showcase what I can do. And that way, you know, people can just always come back to me and be like, hey, we need to fix this, we need to fix that. And then at least that keeps me busy. But like I said, if anyone's interested in any of my services, then that would be awesome. And then maybe I can leave this job in Dandenong. I'm just kidding. But hopefully they don't find out about my YouTube channel, because I'm a little bit too honest, aren't I? Alright, see you tomorrow.